he got a big one on.
Fucker. Gotta let it go back.
Yeah, no, pull on it. Let it go. Let him swim.
He's got me underneath the ice.
I know, let him swim away with it.
I'm fucked.
No, let him get unhooked.
He's hooked on the ice.
Yeah, but he'll untangle himself.
I think I'm gonna lose it. It's a nice one. I thought I got hooked on the ice somewhere over there. Come on. Can't get him.
Is he on? He's on.
Can't get him.
Sounded like, you know, I thought it was going to be a huge pike.
Yeah, I did too for a minute. That's a little one.
Well, Dan just caught a nice pick there.
How big was Rocky's 3 pound?
24 inches and a half, I think, but it's the little Holland rod and gun fishing derby we're having today. February 2nd.
A lot of line.
Yeah, it sure did.
I thought it was a pike. That's a nice pick, though.
Oh, that's cool. That's going on the board, I think.
I don't know.
Well, I'll shut this down. Save some video.